Hi, so let's look at the last type of functions where a function is able to return a value back to whoever called it. Alright, so let me give you an example. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a function mult a and b. Alright, and what I want to do is I want to compute the multiplication, alright, between a and b, but I do not want to just print out the value. Alright, I want to be able to pass this result back to whoever called the function. Alright, so what I can do, I can use the keyword return result. Alright, so what does this return do? Alright, is basically like somebody passing you some information, alright, and after you are done processing the information and you get some new outcome, new result, you want to pass this result back to whoever called you. Alright, so it's like playing basketball. Alright, you pass the ball to somebody, they dribble the ball for a while and then they pass it back to you. So when they pass the ball back to you, you must be ready to catch the ball. Alright, so how do you catch this return value? Alright, so the common practice is to always have a variable to capture this return value. So I can say, okay, mult result, okay, goes to mult, alright, any value here. Alright, so what is happening when I call the mult function here? I am passing in two parameters 3 and 5. Inside the mult function, I compute the multiplication result and I pass it back. So when I pass it back, it comes to mult r. Alright, so here I can print mult r. Okay, so I get the value here. Now of course you may think, why must I do this? Why can't I just print it out in the function? Alright, yes you can. Alright, if your objective is just compute something and show the result to the user, but in some cases, okay, for example, you are trying to perform a series of calculations. Okay, it's a complex algorithm, you're trying to perform a series of calculations, step A, step B, step C and so on, and the result of step A needs to be used in step B and step C and so on. So what you can do, you can create a function for step A, and after the result is obtained, you pass it back to the main application and that application will call step B, okay, with a new result obtained from step A and so on. Alright, so it is a very useful way of, again, modularizing your code. Alright, you break up your big objective into small functions and each function performs some action, passes you back the result, and then you use it again in the next step and so on. Alright, so I will have more examples on this and how, alright, to actually appreciate, alright, the power of functions, alright, in the Python code in subsequent videos. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.